morning, children. Welcome to Circle Time with Jyoti teacher. Let's start our day with a school prayer. Come on, join your hands, close your eyes and repeat the prayer after Jyoti teacher. Dear God, be a friend to me. Take my hand and ever keep me close to you. Teach me how to grow in goodness. You have been a child and surely you must know. Never leave me nor forsake me. Ever be my friend. I need you with me till the very end. Dear children, now it's time to welcome Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god. We will be celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi for 10 long days. Are you all excited, children? Yes! So Jyoti teacher is going to teach you how to draw Ganpati Bappa. Children, let's say Ganpati Bappa Moria. Ganpati Bappa Moria. And let's start our drawing. First, Jyoti teacher is going to teach you face of Ganpati Bappa. Okay, so for that, one sleeping line. Okay, then one curve like this. Then one more curve. This is the crown of Ganpati Bappa. Okay, and now we will make face. For that, like this, one more curve. Now we will make ears. For this, just make very light slanting line first too. Yeah. Now go over this like one, and from here also like this. So these are the ears. Now we will make trunk. For trunk of Ganpati Bappa, you can erase little over here. Okay. Then make two slanting lines, very light slanting lines. Okay. Then let it go like this. Then M pattern. Now we will make tusk. For that, one like this and one is half. Okay. Now make some curves. Yes. Now we will make eyes. For eyes, you have to make one curve like this and one curve like this. Then make a big dot like this. Then one more curve like this and one more curve like this. Now we will make tilak. For that, two standing lines, then curve. And here we will make one curve like this and then V. Okay, now we can decorate the crown. We can make any patterns. This is mountain pattern which I am drawing. Okay, then you can make one sleeping line. Then you can make some curves. However you want, you can make. Then some circles. Here also I can give some pattern like this. Here also. So our Ganpati Bappa is ready. Now here teacher is going to teach you how to draw modak. For modak, first we'll make a plate. Two standing line and one sleeping line like this. Then you have to make a curve like this. Okay? And then one mountain pattern like this. Then from here, like this, join. From here also like this you join. Then 1, 2, 3 lines. So this is our modak and you can just join here. So modak is kept in a plate. And here we are going to draw mouse. For that, one sleeping line, one curve, big curve and one small curve. Then two circles. ears. Okay. Then eyes, whiskers, legs 1, 2, 3, 4 and a tail. So our face of the Ganpati Bappa, Modak and mouse is ready. Now we will draw full body of Ganpati Bappa. Okay, along with the face we will draw body also. So are you all ready, children? Let's start. One sleeping line. How we made face? That way only. So one curve like this. Then here also one curve. Then mountain pattern like this. Then face of Ganpati Bappa. Yes. Then we'll make two slanting lines like this. Slanting and curve. And then one curve, one more curve. One curve, one more curve. These are the ears. Now we will make, I told you to erase little over here. So we'll make trunk of Ganpati Bappa. Two slanting lines, very light slanting lines. Yes. And from here, one curve like this and one more curve like this. Then M pattern. Now we will make eyes. For eyes, one curve like this, one more curve like this. Then we'll make one dot. Yes. Then eyebrows, so like this. Then two standing line, this is tilak, and one curve. Okay, this is tilak of Ganpati Bappa. Then we'll make some curves like this. Yes, so our face is ready. Now we are going to make body of Ganpati Bappa. How to make? From this, can you see this ear? From here just make one line like this. From here also make one curve like this. From here one more curve. This side one more curve. Okay. Then make a C pattern like this. Curve. Come down. This is one hand where he is giving blessings. And here make one curve like this. And here we'll draw Modak. For Modak like this. Yeah. So in one hand he is holding Modak and other hand is giving us blessings. Okay. Now we have to join this. This is Ganpati Bappa's bulky stomach. Yes. And now we will make his legs. He has crossed his legs and is sitting. So we are going to make like this. And he has worn a dhoti. Yes. From one curve like this and one from this side overlapping it like this. Then 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3. So our Ganpati Bappa is ready. Now here if we want to decorate, one sleeping line, some curves, again sleeping line. So I am going to color first border with orange color. Colored. Now with black sketch pen, I am going to make, going to give the outline. Our Ganpati Bappa is ready. Now I am going to color. Blue color for dhoti. First border, border, border. Skin color for ears, face and stomach and hands. Now I am going to color the crown. We can use nice colors, bright colors. Our Ganpati Bappa is ready. With black sketch pen. Outline of the marks. Skin color for the face. Now we are going to color the crown. Modak. The mouse I will use ochre yellow. Here I am going to color green. Now I am going to give dark outline. For background I am going to use yellow color. Our Ganpati Bappa is ready. If you have decorative items, then you can decorate your Ganpati Bappa. If you have decorative items, you can decorate your Ganpati Bappa. Otherwise, you can color.